Hello everyone, welcome back to the video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can make a digital planner to sell in Etsy using Canva. So right now we are in the Canva website, and what we're going to be doing is we're actually gonna go ahead and design a planner itself. So Canva is really good when it comes to creating multiple designs. It literally has multiple elements and objects and so many things that you can go ahead and see. So let me go ahead and show you these. So the first thing that we can do is we're gonna go ahead and look for a planner template. So on right here you can see all of these different tabs. You can go ahead and see a different templates that we can use, but we actually have a template that we can use for the planner. So what we need to do is let's go ahead and click on more right here, and then if you can see these try something new, we're gonna go ahead and click on this, and we can see planner right here. So let's go ahead and click on this. So this will open up our design itself, and then as you can see we start off with a blank page. So this is A4 in size, so the size is right here. So let's go ahead and change the title. So let's call this digital planner. Let's create a weekly planner, digital weekly planner 2023. And then as you can see right here, we actually already have some templates that we can go ahead and use. So if there is this crown icon right here and it says Pro, these are only available for a subscription or a non-free version. So if you are want to have an idea of what those planner looks like, then you can go ahead and go through each of these, so you can filter things out into the planner cover itself. If you want it as a journal cover as well, you can go ahead and do that. So let's change that back to planner right here. And as you can see, we already have some designs right here. And if you want to go ahead and use that, you can go ahead and drag them, and it will automatically update right here. And then of course, as you can see, once that you have dragged it, you can actually change these elements right here. So let's say if you wanna change this to digital planner, go ahead and do that. Let's select all of this and change our color. Say, save this back. Okay, so you can't actually see that. Let's change that again. Blue, okay, or a violet right here. Just go ahead and play around with this so you can drag and then align things. So as you can see, it says digital planner. Let's just keep it to planner right here. So you can see there's 3 elements right here, all saying 2023. If you want to go ahead and remove one of them, you can do so, and then adjust the others. You can do so if you wanted to as well. If you want to go ahead and change the actual cover itself, just go ahead and just drag so you can replace current page. So we have them right here. And then say if you want to go ahead and add a new page, you can go ahead and do so. So let's say we want to take a look at this again. As you can see, these are all designs that has been created by others, but if you want to go ahead and design our own, we can go ahead and do that as well. So let's say let's add a page, and then let's go ahead and design something similar to this. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to go into our elements right here, and then you can go ahead and just design our own. So let's say we can add a table right here. Then if we just right click on this, we can go ahead and add columns if you wanted to, add rows if you wanted to as well. So let's say let's add in other columns, adjust this. Just say this is like a we don't include the weekends one, so this will only take a look at Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday right here. And then we can allow our to go ahead and add in data or add in their information right here. And then let's go ahead and line this up. So let's click on this right here. Okay, so that is all aligned up. And then again, let's take a look at some of these collections, which is really nice to add, that kind of touch into it. So say for example, we'll take a look at these. Let's add this in right here. We'll have like, I don't know, a small apple right here. Let's see. And then our red heart right here. Again, the design is all entirely up to you. And there you are. So, you can go ahead and start to design every single part of the digital planner itself. But as you can see, once that you've designed everything, you have a cover, you have a usually an overview. You can also add, say for example, let's add a page right here, just a small section, which basically gives an information like let's add in a text right here. So this planner belongs to, let's make it a little bit bigger right here. And then let's add some lines. Add this one. Then let's go ahead and add this, that, this, like this. And then let's go ahead and select this. Now we can right click and align. We can go ahead, right click and align. Okay, that doesn't work. Space evenly. Okay, there you go. No, something like that. Again, you can go ahead and change the actual design right there. You can change the color too if you wanted to, right there, and even this one. So you can change the color, something like this. And there you go. So yeah, go right on ahead and explore and how to design things within Canva. And once that you're happy with it, you can actually go ahead and click on share, and then you can download this as a PDF as well. So you can get it as a PDF standard or a PDF for printing, and you can flatten things, you can include the notes as well. It is all entirely up to you. But once that you have downloaded it, you can now go ahead and upload this into Etsy. Well, I hope that you have found this tutorial useful. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe, and we will see you guys next time.